Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Tara Marie back with another hair video. This is a super short intro, but stay tuned to see how I got these curls. So to start off, I'm going to be kicking off my products. I'm using the green Apple and Aloe Nutrition Leave-In Conditioner. Love, love, love this stuff. The main choice, pink lemonade and coconut curling sorbet, I believe. The same line from the Mousse, the pink lemonade line from Main Choice, my wide tooth comb, and I'm going to start off. This is freshly washed hair. I just gotten out of the shower, so that is why I am super fresh faced, bushy browed, and everything. You guys know that I'm, if I'm not wearing makeup in real life, I like to be real and true to my everyday self in these videos, so I'm not wearing any makeup. What I'm doing, I'm just giving my hair an extra spritz of water to keep in that moisture because I want my hair to be nice and wet for when I start these flat twists. I'm going to start off by applying my leave-in conditioner, and I'm applying in a generous amount of this because I want my hair to be super moisturized so that I can reduce any frizz and just keep my hair moisturized, because everyone knows that that is the major key. Oh, I don't know why I just said that. Ew. But it is though. Moisture is key for curly hair. So I'm just spraying this out from root to tip, making sure that I'm getting a lot of this on, and I'm just applying as much as I needed to any sections of my hair that I feel are a little bit dry. And then with my wide tooth comb, I'm just gonna comb through that product just to make sure that everything is nice and evenly distributed. So I'm just going to apply the same process to the other side of my hair. I apply the leave-in conditioner in larger sections whenever I do this look, and then later in the video I'll show you my styling products that I use to hold these curls in place. But I'm just quickly going to just fast forward through this because I already showed you how I did this on the other side, and the process is exactly the same. So what I'm doing now, I'm going to start sectioning off my hair for the flat twist. Or actually, just kidding. I'm applying a little bit more leave-in conditioner to the front and to the under layer of my hair, just because these sections tend to dry out the fastest. So I want a little bit more protection in those areas. And now I'm going to go ahead and show you how I start to section off my hair for my flat twist. I am speeding through this because this was super boring to watch in regular speed. So I start off by just parting my hair straight down the middle, and then I like to section off one half to get that out of the way. Because my hair is super long, it gets in the way every single time I do this, so I like to twist it up and make sure that it's nice and tucked away so I don't accidentally pull any strands that I don't want to. So for the section that I'm going to start off with, I'm going to be doing 3 braids on each side. So I'm going to be parting 3 equal sections and just going straight back. You can do your twists in any direction that you'd like. Doing them straight back is just how I prefer to do it. I've tried out multiple different ways, and this is just the style that I like to do my flat twists. So I'm just sectioning off the other section because, like I said, my hair will get tangled in with each other, and this just helps me keep everything nice and neat so I'm not struggling to detangle my hair later in the process. So this is what the part looks like. Now we're all set to get started. I'm gonna take my Main Choice Pink Lemonade Curling Sorbet, and I'm just gonna take a small amount of that to my finger, maybe just a little bit more. Take a little bit more of that just to get enough to get a nice coating on your hair. And I'm gonna smooth that all over the hair, making sure I get every single strand. And then I'm also going to take the mousse next, and I'm going to grab about 1.5 or 2 pumps of the mousse, and then apply that to the same section as well. And then after I have everything applied, I'll take my wide tooth comb and just comb all of those products through my hair to make sure everything is evenly distributed, and that I also have no tangles for when I start to twist. So when I'm starting to twist, I like to grab a small piece in the front of the section that I parted. Not too big, not too small. I'll show you exactly how much I pulled out. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to smooth that out and then separate it into 2 strands. And y'all don't make fun of me for my flat twisting technique. I'm not the best, but I get the job done. So I'm going to start off by twisting over left over right 2 times. And then for the 3rd time, I'm going to grab a little bit of hair from the section that I pulled and combine it with the hair strand on the bottom. And then after I section that off, I'm just going to pull that over top of the right strand. And then repeat the same process. I'm going to grab some more hair that is loose and combine it with the strand that is underneath. Make sure there's no extra hair tangled in there that I don't want. And then I'm going to pull that over the top strand. And I'm going to show you how I do this a couple of more times in regular speed. Again, combining the under strand with a little bit of hair, smoothing it out and pulling it over. And then one more time. And then, so I don't bore you to death, I'm just going to speed this up a little bit and show you how I finish off this braid. So we are done through the power of camera magic. I skipped all the other strands, but I've parted each other section of my hair, and now I have a total of 6 twists. How I like to do my ends, I just grab 3 from each side, so just pulling, just down the middle. And I'm gonna grab my metal clip. I like to twist the ends of the braids or the twist together, and then pick up my metal clip here. And I'm just gonna take the ends and wrap them around. Oh, I clamped my finger down, that hurts so bad. I'm wrapping the ends of my twists around the bottom clamp. like so. And I'm gonna do that on the other side as well. And then for sleeping, I'm gonna wrap my hair in a scarf and go to sleep. And what do you know? Now I'm magically awake. It's 8 hours later, have my makeup done, and my hair is not completely dry, but it's dry enough to take out the twists. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by removing my clip. And this makes my ends super curly. And I just really like how twisting the ends of my hair around my clip gives me that super coily look. So to get ready, I'm gonna take my jojoba oil and take a little bit of that and spread it between my hands. And this is so that my hands are nice and oily so that I don't cause any extra frizz when taking out the twists. And then starting at the bottom, I'm gonna start to slowly and very gently start to untwist each twist. And I'm gonna speed this up also because I don't know if there's no real technique in untwisting. Just make sure you're gentle, your hands are nice and oiled, and just have at it. So after I'm done twisting, my hair isn't all the way dry, so I diffused it really quickly, and these are my final results. My hair is completely dry now, but I have one last step. I'm gonna go ahead and smooth down these baby hairs a little bit. You guys know my struggle with my baby hairs because they are so long. I don't even know if I can call them baby hairs or just, I don't know, but I try my best to slick them down to the best of my ability. So I'm just gonna pull out some of my edges that I would like to smooth down. And it's off camera, but I'm just using my Eco Styler gel with argan oil. I'm gonna apply that down to my baby hair. And then to smooth it out, I'm just gonna grab my handy dandy toothbrush and smooth out these edges, girl. And then since they're so long, I just tuck the excess underneath my curls. Give my hair a little bit of a fluff. And there we have it. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on flat twists. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button for more natural hair videos and makeup tutorials. And also catch me on IG. I have my link in the description box. And I will catch you in my next video.